Hello. Good morning. How are you guys doing? Good morning, my brothers. Hope you have a good day. Today is gonna be a shit stream. What does the title even mean? I met your mom last night and I'm not happy. Look guys, I have pancakes. I made them myself. I'm gonna eat them, get fat and yeah, cry. How is she? Haven't visited her in a while. Oh, she's doing good. Living life, you know. Meeting people, doing stuff. I don't have Besteck in English. Hello, you guys. Good morning. Hello, Triple Vision. How you doing, man? What up? Haut rein, du musst was zulegen, wo der Winter kommt. The winter's already here, bro. Don't you think? Clancy, thank you very much for following on Kick.
I don't want to be like Cakez.
Capsule art guy ran away. No, he didn't.
Hi.
I don't know. I'm gonna ask you a question in a couple of minutes, guys, and I want your honest answer, okay? Maybe I'm just retarded. Maybe I'm just dumb. Maybe it's me. Maybe the problem is me. Let's rate someone goodbye. I'm sorry, I'm memeing. I just need to get into the mood. What's sad? Cakes eating pancakes? Yeah. Ooh. I made them myself. They have apples in them and cherries. Very delicious. How long are you playing this game? Playing. I'm making this game. I'm not playing it. I'm making it, bro. I will not do localization before release. Mood unlocked. So I don't know if I should even show it, right? But I need honest feedback. I know asking a Twitch chat for honest feedback is like dumb. But I want you guys to tell me out of 10 what you think. I haven't shown anything yet. You can't give me numbers yet. Oh, you guys are stupid.
Cakez is a big clown.
You should do it even if it's AI. It's way better to have some kind of localization. I will, but after release, man. I won't be able to do it before release. I haven't even done one short yet, man. The shorts are more important than localization. I didn't add a laser. No, it's an attack pattern. Like they can attack me. It's not a laser. Where are you from? From Germany. And you, man? Anyways, guys, it's not completely finished yet, but I want your honest opinion on a scale out of 1 to 10. What would you say to this? Well, as done on YouTube. No, it's not AI. .5 out of 10. Does Bobby really? 9.9 out of 10. I gave him a link to the demo version, yeah. And I gave him a link to a video of gameplay.
Am I so out of touch? No.
One just subscribed.
Yo, Ra, thank you very much for subscribing. I appreciate it, bro. Your character's dress is green, not blue? Oh yeah, really? He made it blue because it doesn't work with the background. He says that the contrast is lost when he makes it green. I feel like you can make it a bit brighter in green, but I haven't tested it myself. I need to see the Steam capsule. I mean, that would be close to how the Steam capsule will look. The logo would be to the right. First time on live, always watching VODs. Hey, my man, I appreciate that. You're watching the VODs on YouTube? Hurrah! That's awesome to hear. Can you tell me, are you watching them on YouTube? Changes are small. Okay, like you guys gave me your feedback. I'm not gonna say anything. Now I want you guys to tell me which one is better, in your opinion, okay? And is it the same, or is it the same quality? Give me a sec. Like I need some feedback here. We have this. There's just no way. That's okay. Left or right? Or you could say one or two. You look German. I look German. I look German, really? How? I could be American. They look similar. Indeed, they look similar, especially the foreground. That is correct. Like, I'm not looking to validate my opinion. I'm looking to get an outside opinion. No, they are both made by the same artist. Yes. You look Japanese, okay. Dude, you look so German. How? The game name is not done yet. He said he wants to make the title at the end to make sure that it fits. What's the question? The question is if left or right is better. No, the problem is I can't zoom out here. That makes it a bit too small. Oh, can I? I can only go in increments, I see. No, that would be the final image, man. That's not like work in progress. That would be the final image. Guys, I understand that on the left part you can see that it is a tower defense game because of the road, right? I'm purely talking about the art. Gnomes does not try to be a tower defense game in a traditional way. I think they're pretty equal, just different moods. No, like the foreground is what I like too. Like I want her to look cute, but otherwise I like the foreground. I just do not like... And thank you guys for your feedback. So most of you guys think they are pretty equal. You don't like the empty sky? I think left is decent, but a bit too messy. Too much stuff happening makes the composition not great. Don't like the empty sky, but the game logo will fix it. The chick looks good. Changes, no. Both pictures seem equal. Gnomes is a game. Put the green monster in this empty sky. It's not about the art here. Your composition is off. It communicates nothing. Position on the left, just chaos and unhappy girl. She should be excited about the changes. I told him multiple times that I want to change the impression on the character. Yes. I told him that 4 times. I even drew it myself. I could show you what I actually wanted. This one here. I wanted this. I want it to be cute. Innocent. I think that works much better. Right? Let's make the creatures on the left side bigger, apart from the one with the beard. I don't know, man. It just, to me, feels like this has a lot more depth and quality to it. And here is just... Sorry, I'm still sick. I told... Stop! There's more contrast on gnomes, yeah, there is. I get that it's diff... They don't like they're in the foreground, the ones with her in front of her legs. Okay, guys, I'm stopping this now. I'm tired. No! I don't know. Like, here it just looks barren. I understand that it can be fixed with the logo, but... My honest opinion, like, thank you guys for your opinions. I appreciate that. The left, in my opinion, just looks barren and uninteresting. Bland. And then the color of the background, like the middle layer here. I'm not talking about the background. I'm talking about the middle plane. Looks grainy, faded out, and half AI. Which it's not AI, but it gives the impression. And yeah, it just looks washed out and boring. And here, all of the colors are just... strong. They're strong and glaring at you. Even the house in the background is strong in color. And here we have something that's just washed out. I just do not understand. Well, this guy on Cakez is spamming. Let me ban this guy. So I do not agree. I honestly do not agree that this is in the same quality as this. When I have a flower of very high detail drawn here, in the very background with a nice yellow color. Very far in the background. Same for the pumpkin. Like it all glares at you. And then we have multiple different layers of trees next to each other, behind each other, giving the impression of a forest. And here we are on a plane. And all of a sudden I should accept that the image would lose contrast if we add more stuff to it. To me, in my opinion, that just sounds like bullshit. I don't agree with this, to be honest. Yeah. So I'm very unhappy. I bought a service and I was expecting more, to be honest. The foreground is not bad. I'm not saying that. Foreground is not bad. And the archer looks nice too. Here, this guy. The cape should be green. But I can understand, okay, another green cape on top of green grass. I get it. So yeah, I don't know. I feel like I need a break. We're gonna code a little bit today, guys. I'm not gonna make the short today. I can't zoom in here. But look, they have so much more color and expression to them. Like they have red, dark color around the eyes. They have a lot of detail and shadow on the beards. I just don't believe that this is the same as this. Sorry, I just don't. Not even close. Look how much detail is put on the hoodies, and then I have like a very straightforward hoodie here on the mage. I think it's just night and day, bro. You can't tell me that. Yeah, that's why I'm so late. Like, I just couldn't bring myself to stream because I know I'm in a bad mood. This your art? No, this is not my art. This is my art. Background is too dark. Can we cheer you up? No. That doesn't change my situation. So yeah, we'll see. He's gonna make changes, but yeah. This just looks so much. The left side is more 3 to 60 odd category. Right side is 10 to 60. I get it, right? I understand that too, right? What's the value of the house in the background? Which house? This one here? That's the main building. The gnomes are trying to defend. They are defending a garden from gnomes. So yeah, I don't know what to do. I just don't know what to do. I'll let him finish it, I'll pay him, and then, I don't know, I'll have to use it, but I'm not happy. I don't think a change in composition and or whatever is gonna do much. But hey, we'll see. It's supposedly the same artist, yeah. Like, no, I didn't hire from Fiverr. It is Red Potion Studios. It just felt like along the way there were so many things that just... Like, okay, I can understand I'm burning a bridge right now, but my honest opinion is that I spent so much time and effort explaining things, and they have all been ignored. Like I said from the very beginning, it's literally the image I showed was this: put unique items on the characters. And I got an image with wooden bows, normal wooden shields, and the same oranges scattered around everywhere. And I was like, bro, why not? And then when I say I want different changes, I'd pay $30. For what? I told from the beginning what I wanted. It's just... Like, what did I do, man? I'm sorry. What did I do wrong? Like, I'm sorry. I'll stop doing it, okay? I'll be nicer to chat. Or something. Maybe this is karma for something. It's not AI generated, guys. Stop saying that, please. The guy spent effort on the image. It's not AI generated, okay? Please don't say that. Yeah, and then the robe is blue. I'm like, bro, it's a gardening witch. She has a green robe. No, this is my image. I updated this image and then... Like, I could, like... Yeah. No. The entire image costs 500 euros. That change that the changes use items was 30 bucks, 30 euros, which is something I asked from the very beginning. The entire image costs 500. So this is 500 euros here. The logo is not done yet, so without the logo. The logo is still. Man. Maybe I just didn't explain it very well, but I feel like, especially like with the expression on her face, I drew a freaking arrow. I'm sad. So yeah, guys, gonna be a bad stream today. I don't think anything will change my mood. So now I have to figure out, okay, what do I do? Let's say the capsule art does not here. See, this is the image I sent with changes, which warranted 30 bucks. And so I even drew this myself. See, like I changed the lines from what it was before, and I changed the lines so that made her look like this. And I wrote innocent, cute look. And I made an arrow from here to here. Okay, I should have maybe done the arrow from here to here. But yeah, and the mage was here in the beginning, the very left, which made it seem like she is the summoner of those Tangies. They're all behind her, right? Which I liked. And then there was this random crate here, which I don't know why, but I guess there's a random crate. Yeah, which is fine. Like, I don't want to be mean or anything. But is this not understandable? That I want a innocent, cute look. And I did that 4 times. I asked for that 4 times in total now. Or 5. At minimum 4. And it's still got a mad look. I want to show you something, guys. Obviously, it's older, right? And maybe I'm retarded for doing so, okay? Maybe I am. Where is it? And I hate doing this, but I spent 4 years on my game, and I just don't want it to go to shit. You know, I don't want to be sitting there and then, yeah. Anyways, let me. Where's X-Color Drager? Here. Wait, how do I zoom? Yeah. So wait, let me make that bigger. So this is what I have. Right, this is the final. And obviously I didn't ask for this, right? But... And it's another artist. But... I don't know, the potential is just... Like, what is possible is what I'm saying. And I would say that this road reflects my road more. Okay, my road is dirtier, I guess. That's correct, though. My road is somewhat that color here. But it does have cobblestones, which I guess would take away from... It would be too much detail, right? So that would be bad. But like if I squint my eyes, I can't see the road. Ah, maybe I'm just maybe maybe I'm just dumb. I don't know. What do I do, guys? What do I do? Cakes. This looks good now. Oh no, don't. AI, oh, please. You fucking asshole. Can you stop? You added in gnomes. Okay, bro. Where's Discord media? Is that the same? Am I looking at the same? Yeah, no, I know that. I know this image. So I feel like you can create contrast. In a way, right? It's just... Frick? What do you mean, frick? She still has a blue robe, asshole. Oh man, like, so what should I do? I'm getting a headache. Fuck. I apologize, guys. But yeah, you clicked on it. I wrote in the title, don't watch. It's your own fault. Okay? You clicked it, not me. I'm just disappointed. Eh. Suggested collabs with myself? Are you stupid, shit, Twitch? That's me. Wait, knock. What happens? Something went wrong? Yeah, I bet. Huh? Idiots. Wow. Can't code for shit. Fucking retard. I did talk on a call with him just now, yes. I feel bad for doing this, but I'm just so disappointed. I've been waiting almost a month for this. An entire month. And 500 euros. It's not like it was done in 1 week. No. Let me see. When was the first contract? The first contact was my fault. It went to December 9. It's more than a month. Was the first message after the payment was resolved, because I had payment issues. Stupidwise.com retards. The 16th. The 16th of December. Yeah. So guys, what would you do? What should I do? I haven't been able to sleep at all once I saw this. I'm freaking tired. You can't... Also, you're actually supposed to get this. Like, why did I not get that? Why did I not get that? I got one sketch. And then you're supposed to get this. I never got that either. man. Like, it's literally in their brief. Like, if this is the intermediate, then I got this. I feel like that's like night and day. That's not the same, in my opinion. Can't even tell the image properly with all the lines. And why hire someone if it's more work? Man, maybe I'm just dumb, but see, like, when I saw this post on Reddit, by the way, right? I was like, damn, that's great. That's very cool. I want that too. And then I do it and I get this. Like, not the same process at all. I was promised 3 sketches. I actually wanted 4. I was ready to pay for 4 from another artist. Like, 1 sketch from another artist and 3 sketches from the artist I contacted. Got 1. Like, as far as I understand, I don't know how the work process is, but do you have to ask for another sketch? Like, cause they told me that you get 3 sketches. I got 1. So I was like, okay, so the other ones are coming soon, right? Never got any. I got another sketch after asking for 1. I don't know, and I even supplied 1 myself. What's your budget for graphics? Minus 10 bucks or something? Like, my mom gave me the money for this. I didn't have it. This is the only reason why I did this. Guys, it is not AI. Please stop saying that. It is not AI. Okay? The person spent time and effort on the image. Please don't say that. You are wrong. And you're stupid. Okay? Dumb and stupid. I don't know. I just feel like the process. Change your clothes to green. Make the path as is made of ice. Blue. Remove the piss filter. Yeah, I don't know, man. Like, why did I get this? Like, you call it piss filter. Yeah, why did I get this washed out thing, man? Then I, like, where's gnomes? Is there a way to get, like, a bigger image other than this? No, there's not. Wait. Whatever, copy image. Like, the colors are just... I'm just gonna be honest, the colors are shit, man. There's so much contrast here. And then here it blurs into the same blob. Color-wise, just doesn't work. Here, the road doesn't work. But at least it... No, there is communication. Yes, there was communication. Sorry guys, I'm still sick. It's been really annoying. Man. Gute Besserung, danke. Someone fixed it on Discord. Oh, you guys put it in AI again? Let's see, what did AI do this time? Can you guys stop? Yeah, no magic effects either. Nothing. Guys, this is too much though. But yeah, I like the color of the road sucks, but actually it does look. It's too messy, I know. Somewhat too messy. If you zoom out, you can't tell what's going on. That's the issue, guys. You can't tell what's going on if you zoom out. The forest looks good. Oh, yeah. I would have put a forest on the right, too. Yeah, no, I'm not saying that the magic effects are great. I'm saying that at least here there are some magic effects like torches. Here's not even a glow on the things. He said that it's gonna be done today, and he sent me this image today, so I don't know how much more work you could do to make it a final version, but yeah, he said so. I know that the right is empty for the logo, but we are not on the plain, we are in a forest. How did they manage to make a forest and a garden and a lot of gnomes and a lot of fucking goblins in one image? But they can't put anything here. What are you talking about, bro? What you talking about? All of a sudden in my image it doesn't work. How? Guys, even if the artist is watching, I can't really use it. No, not 10 more oranges. Like, that would be an entirely different image, bro. €500. God, I'm so tired of having to cough all the time, man. No, I like it too. What I like about this image is let's put the colors aside, right? Because I really don't like them. But I like that there's a Tangy on her head, and in the original version, she did look very cute. Where is it? Like in the original version, she did look very cute, right? And it's captured better than here, but that looked really nice. That cute look was awesome, you know. But yeah, yo man, thank you very much for $3. Appreciate that, bro. Why did we not get any TTS? Oh, because you guys were spamming the shit. Taz DJ, thank you very much for subscribing.
Am I so out of touch? No.
Tostage just subscribed. I
Oh,
bet
my.
they are using an eye.
No, it's not Tuesday.
Colin, thank you for $3. Youth Besserin. Cakez beastat mir aufrichtig leid. Das ich in deinem Spiel
Where's the barrel on top of the
hey.
grass? Yeah, that is correct. The barrel is on top of the grass too. When you bought this, I have a friend that would give you 10 drawings for the price. My pixel art creation is better than this. It's missing Tangy. And the concept of having a Tangy on a head is awesome. I like that a lot. It's amazing. Why is it sad stream? Oh, because I felt like doing a sad stream today, you know? That's why. So yeah, what do I do, guys? Let's say after today's change, in 10 hours or something, I'm not happy. What should I do? My build got approved, yes. I wanna set a release date today, but I didn't expect this. Congrats, thank you. What image is that now? Cake Spalding. Guys, the rope is still blue. Can you stop? Yeah, but that looks nice. Not gonna lie. It's fucking AI, man. I hate AI. This is not a new one. No. Composition is the biggest problem. So when you say composition, what would you change? Everything is on the left. Is that your problem? That everything is on the left? You didn't make it, you're wrong, you're lying. The tree looks 100 times... Yeah, the tree looks a lot better, I know. In my image, the tree is just a couple of dots. Putting some dots here really quickly. That's why I mean, like, it doesn't have the quality of gnomes, because... Where did he put some dots here really quickly? Like, it's just more attention to detail. Well, here's just a plop, 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 plop. Yeah, and this one doesn't have any roots. Yeah, I know. Guys, I don't know. Sorry for the bad mood. I can't change it. It's either this or no stream. The widget Tangy has no dots. Yes, I know. He does not have any dots. I saw that too. I didn't post the... I was so taken aback that I totally forgot to pin the messages. Let me pin those. So guys, what should I do? I can't afford another artist. I don't have the money. But I'm not expecting this image to be good quality. Yeah, and it took 1 month. Yeah, it also took 1 month. I already contacted him. I just had a talk with him, Sturdy Pose. I suggested something above. Suggestion ask for source file and tweak it, remove the bruises and make some changes. Fighters stand out more at smaller scale. Yeah, the portfolio is this. Like I browsed the portfolio. Yeah, of course. Where is it? I did browse the portfolio. Which is why I'm so surprised. Here, I'll show you guys. It's not the same artist, right? The artist will show up above what is done. So, for example, yes, so I really like this one here. This one looks so amazing. So I was browsing this right here. This is from Sea of Survivors. Tommy's game. Maybe oranges are too confusing. Booba. So I just... And here we're getting to, I think, the artist that is making my stuff. Also, in the very beginning, I asked to have a wizard hat on Tangy optional. Being optional, to toggle on and off. Never got that. I don't know, just... And I also don't just want to keep saying the same thing over and over again. It feels like my text has not been written at all. And the feedback has not been taken into account at all. That's what it looks like. Because I wrote many things. I spent a lot of time. Let me see. Here, look guys, I spent so much time explaining everything. I wrote an entire thing with images, gameplay video. Then this was my sketch, right? Tangy in the middle here, archer shooting to the right, defender should have been on the road, holding a mage. And then the healer on the left here. But I also said like, okay, you can make your own. And then I put that image here. Then I showed all of the different items in the game. The only thing that I fucked up, I feel, is I never gave him screenshots with items on the changes. So, but I gave him this and said I want items on the changes. So I should have given him better screenshots. Yeah, this was Red Potion Studios. And I contacted them because they made the Gnomes capsule and I was like, wow, really good. Cakez is balding? Yeah, maybe I am. Who cares, man? I'm gonna be Jason Statham, brother. Okay, who cares, bruh? Hair comes and goes, okay? Whatever. Just wait, guys, okay? When I'm out of this stress, I'll go and train. Okay? Just wait. It only goes... No, not if you put it from your ass to your head, right? Then it comes back. Right, guys? That's how that works. Aren't there many people that do that? Hair transplants. Was there an in-between version? Yeah, no, here, this. I could show you the entire process if you guys want to. Maybe I fucked up. This is the first sketch. I couldn't really tell, but I really liked that sketch, right? This was the first sketch. So compared to these ones, not the same quality. Like he even drew fucking trees there, man. And I was like, I like this. How did it change like that? Yeah, it was much better. Like, how did it turn up like this then? So like what I asked him to change here was I wanted the orange tree to be in the image, in the background. That's all I asked. And is it just me, or are there 3 layers to the sketch? Like this, then this, and then mountains? Oh my god, bro. Let me send that to Tommy, huh? I'll send that to Tommy, wait. Where is he? Probably busy making games. Here you go. There's some people... Oh man. What is the other one here? What is this? Ah yeah, we saw that already. We saw that already. No, you guys are right. I didn't even notice, but the sketch changed so much. From this to this. This one is so much better. Why? Was it my mistake? What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? No, that is the second sketch. Wait, I'll figure this out. This is the second sketch. With enemy silhouettes in the background. And more... Well, but this still works too. Right? And here's the tree stump. Maybe because I asked him to put something on the tree stump. And then I asked him... That is the third sketch. After I asked him to... put the barrel next to the tree. Which maybe I shouldn't have, I don't know. Maybe the barrel should just be removed. And then, I mean, I got a third sketch, but that... I didn't like that too much. Like, this is the third sketch, but I didn't like it too much. And really, to be honest, like, these are not the same sketches as this. Like, really hard to read too. Yeah, I mean, then... No, really, like, all of a sudden the design changed. That's correct. Because this was so much better. Then I asked him, hey... This is not a defender. This is a healer. And so that was the first time where I was like, hey, are you reading what I told you? Because the defender is here. Here's the archer with the bow. He even drew the bow. Like, he drew the spikes on the bow, right? And then decided to draw a normal wooden bow. And I think this is supposed to be another orange just sitting in the background here, looming, which is cool. I was like, hey, can you turn this into a healer, but keep the position? And then, I don't know, maybe I destroyed it, but I added a goblin here, a defender here, and another ranger on the tree, which would clash with the logo. Maybe I fucked it up. Did I fuck it up? Did I fuck it up? It turned that into a tree stump, which is nice. There were 3 layers to this, and the road was here, which is awesome. The road looked really nice, and I think the road was supposed to be here too. And then the road goes here again. You know what this makes me want to do? Just trace the image and see if I can do it, but I don't have the time for that. Giving an artist too much feedback is a real thing. You limit the artist in the end, giving the vision they saw. Yeah, and I wanted the healer, the mage here. Tell them to go to the older concept. Does this not work, guys? Am I just retarded? The mess under the logo is unnecessary. Suppose you're right. I just wanted to have enemies on the logo, but maybe I shouldn't. I don't know. Not on the logo. I wanted to have enemies on the thing. Can you show the other composition? So this was the, I think, final image. Man, it's been done so fast. This is the final one, actually. He fixed my mess I made here. And then it turned into this. The mountain is still here. The one with the other perspective is just much more generic. Okay, bro. ChatGPT. Great. Maybe I destroyed it, guys. I don't know. What is that supposed to be? The barrel? Good job, ChatGPT. What is this supposed to be? What are those? Potato yeah. TD, TG, yeah. What is this? Bruh. What is that? Is that a broom? Tribesman in the background, yeah. She's a farmer, yeah. She's now... Oh, she's a farmer now, I see. It's good, man. Yeah, I guess it is. What the fuck is that supposed to be here, huh? AI is the future, yeah. I mean, AI's got some time to go. Yeah, maybe I destroyed this here, you know, guys? Maybe this was bad for me to do. Right, putting too many characters in the back. I don't like your logo. Yeah, no, I don't like my logo either. So I think this would have been the best, apart from changing her to a healer. Right, this was the best, guys. Look at her legs. Putting changes in front is a big problem and makes it boring. Maybe I should stop him now and ask him if he could do this image. And if he can't, we find someone else or something. Because I really don't like the... It's super small. The image is super small. Yes, every layer should be possible with not a lot of work. Images with... Tommy said we can use it as a... We can make a bundle and use this Tangy TD image you guys made as a logo for that. Okay. Oh man. Oh yeah, you guys are right. And then after this last sketch, right, this is what I got then, yeah. So this is the last iteration. It completely changed. This is the last. And the road here was completely missing, and all of a sudden there was only one layer. Like, this image had 3 layers to it. Like, whoop, whoop, whoop. And that worked very well. And then even here we have whoop, whoop, whoop. Still. Yeah, it's the legs in the final version. No, here are the legs. It's called taking accountability for your own actions. You can't change what someone else does. You can only control your own actions. If you are used to just strong aiming people into doing what you... If you are used to just strong aiming people and doing what you probably don't have many people you trust. Eh? Oh, WhatsApp is arguing again. So, wait. No, the main point is that he ruined the line work. I mean, the outlines. It lost its vibe. That's when you should have told them that the art style changed. They clearly misunderstood something. See, I forgot the way this looked like before because there was such a big time step in between and I was so stressed out with making my game and family stuff that I didn't notice. But you're right. I guess I need to go to the bathroom. Give me a sec. Guys, I have a headache. I'm gonna get to paracetamol because I need to do something now. Give me a sec. I'll be back. Jen, I'll be back. Okay. All drugged up. What is Supaku saying? Headache incoming. Capsule art is delivered. So. Switch to T. Look better when the girl stood in front of the Tangies. Okay. Guys, we'll do the following. We'll take that image. And I will draw now. And then I'll ask him. I will ask him if he can make this image happen. Or not. What's the situation right now? Well, I got this and I'm not happy. So that's 500 euros, yeah. Yeah, if he wants more money, then I'm saying no, please stop. I'll give you $100 for your efforts till now. And then I'll make a donation goal for a new capsule. And we have to delay until the capsule is done. There's another chance. I didn't spend 4 years on this to have this be the deciding factor at the end. No. Just let him add trees and clouds to the right, it will be fine. No, I don't like the colors at all. And yeah, I didn't even notice, but the Tangies are in front now. Which this one looked the best. Pay 500 for, I don't really have the time to make it myself, and but yeah. The good thing is I have a Bracom tablet, so we could draw the lines reasonably fast, I hope. Yeah, I'm disappointed, to say the least. Where's my tablet? Wait, do I not have it here? The tablet, is it at home? I thought I took it with me. I thought I took the tablet with me. Shit, it might be at home. So that means I have to draw by hand, which I guess is fine, but it's annoying. fine. We have to draw by hand. I don't have pressure. So I only have the same thickness on all lines. Damn it. Changes behind is much cuter, yeah. Should not be a big thing to put the changes in the back, yeah. Toll, I don't have a tablet. It was gonna be so much easier with a tablet. Fuck, man. Ah, it's at home, isn't it? Damn it. But Lolbe, what do you suggest I do? If you mean, okay, don't throw yourself into this rabbit hole, what should I do? Can you not write proper feedback and ask for another version? Bro, we had a call today. I did. But yeah, the design changed completely. I really need the Wacom tablet for this, guys. Otherwise, it doesn't make much sense. It doesn't make much sense. It takes too long. And I really should do this in a different color so I know what's been traced or not. Maybe in red. Ah, shit. Maybe I'm adding in too much detail. Trace it with the Lecter line? No. I don't want to. I would use a Wacom tablet, but yeah, that is at home, of course. What are you doing? Well, I am drawing a sketch for him and ask him if he could make that sketch or not, because I'm not happy with what I got. Trying to make it somewhat good looking. And for my next game, I'll just learn how to do this shit myself. I mean, what do you guys want me to do? If he can't do it, then at least I have a sketch for another artist. And maybe we can get a discount, cause... maybe we can get a discount, cause I provided the sketch already, right? Do you have recording of the agreement, like asking for 3 images? I really need a Wacom tablet to complete it though, but yeah. So the important part now though, for me, is capturing this line. This line that goes here and here and then all the way here. This is the like second layer, and then the first layer was this. That was the first layer. And then the third one was here. So 3 different layers when it comes to this. And that worked very well. And then we had the road. We had the road here. If I can draw it properly with as hard with the mouse. I think these waves don't really make sense. I would probably do this. But that, I see, that doesn't make it so round. So maybe that does work better. Maybe that. Yeah, then we have... Tangy herself. I don't know how he did it. Maybe like this. Wait, there's another thing here. What the hell? There's another like hair strung here. What is this? Where did that come from? I don't know what he did there, but yeah, he just, I guess, extended that. Just sent them the sketch you're tracing. See, like, that was the sketch they made. Shit. That's gonna be hard. Oh my god! Stop zooming in. Whatever I did here. That's a K. Something. Tracing a sketch will give you 0 benefit? Really? Why? Why is this wrong? But this sketch has information that was lost in the final image, lolboy. He completely removed the final layer. I don't understand. What's the point? To communicate the different layers. Guys, I lost a middle layer in the sketch. Show them the original image. You will just confuse him? Then use the sketch. Don't trace. Why? Why is it that bad? I don't understand. Why is it that bad? I really do not understand. Why trace? I would really want to understand that. Like, I'm being completely honest here. Okay, it's alright. Hide the background layer, look at the tracing. Yeah, but I'm not done yet. I'll show you guys what I mean in a sec. Huh? Okay, guys, I might not send him the trace then, okay? If it's really that bad. But I'll just show you what I mean, okay? Then. I'll just... Maybe I'm stupid. I don't know. Oh. It won't take that long until I'm done, okay? Guys, it'll all make sense in a second, okay? And again, if this is bad to do, I understand. I just want to give it a try, okay? Because I just want to eliminate all possible confusion points. Okay, and if I have to spend like 1 hour or 2 hours tracing some image, if that helps, then okay. If it doesn't, Okay, I'm retarded. Okay, but at least at the end of the day, when it's all said and done, I cannot look back and say, why didn't I do this? Okay, listen guys, okay, it might be stupid to do. Totally get it. But I have to try. Yeah. Maybe I'm dumb, right? Oh my god, terrible. But what do you expect me to do? I can send him this original image, of course, right? Because I fear that if I send the original image, then it'll be... I will lose this layer here. Right? I will lose that layer. That's what I fear. Cakez, you forgot to land the layer above the barrel. No. Yo, my man, thank you very much for $9. Holy shit, Shitai. Stop saying you're dumb, you're not. You're a professional for a job. You paid a professional for a job. You can't be critical about that. You gave too much info. You should have pushed back. Go on, bro. Thank you very much, my man. I appreciate the big support. Let me play that. Thank you very much.
Shintai84, thank you for $9. Stop saying you are dumb, you are not. You paid a professional for a job. You can be critical about that if you gave too much info. He should have pushed back or come on, bro.
You are not. Man. Lolbo is probably screaming and raging right now. Peace, my man. Yo. It is how it is, okay, Mr. Lolboy? Okay, we do it like this right now, okay? Is it a good idea? I don't know. But I need to try, okay? I need to make mistakes and learn myself, okay? I feel like we are almost there. It will all make sense in a second, guys, okay? I might just remove this, but we'll see. Oh. Yeah, that looks bad. Also, if this does not work out, right, then at least I can use this sketch maybe for another artist, right? Oh, shit. God, it does not look great. You guys are right, though. Especially the sparrow right here. Doesn't look great. Mm. There are quick ways to communicate instead of tracing like a quick Photoshop or highlight with arrows and text. But I did that. Like here, guys. I gave him a lot of feedback and text and stuff. If you struggle with caps lock till the end of the month, wife says she will draw something for you. Appreciate that. Thank you very much. And for 30 bits too, let me play that. Thank you, man. Oh, and Kins, thank you very much for subscribing.
Am I so out of touch?
I'll toggle notification pause. But
no.
I'll skip some of
Nate
them.
just subscribed.
Because they're annoying. Play! Why did it not do the Gigantify emote thing? Sorry, like the bot is stuck. Eh? Lol, the bot is broken. Like the bot just crashed, I think. Shit. I can't move the bot. No, the sketch will be black soon. The reason why I'm sketching it with black, the red, is because I know where I was already. Let's see if this works. Oh yeah, guys. I don't know. I was not expecting this, to be honest. I'm sad. Okay. Here's clouds, there's clouds. Here are mountains. And here are the enemies. So that means we can just draw a straight line where the enemies are, in a way. This one too. To be a bit better. I like that a bit more. What happened? The art wasn't up to scratch. No. Unfortunately not. No, I meant to do this. Obviously, this is just a sketch, right? But this is the most important thing, dummy. That's why I spent my time on this. That's the first thing people see when they click on my game. What do you expect me to do? Hmm? Dumbo? Okay, I think we're almost there. Now we just gotta get this line properly done. So that it is connected. Okay. It looks a little confusing right now, but wait, okay? There's a reason why I'm doing this. Okay. So now we can actually work with this. Okay, now my idea is that I'm going to quickly, oh, there you go. I don't know how you draw these clouds, but I guess I'll just draw that, right? I don't know if that's supposed to be a cloud, but there we go. Good. Then I feel like if this is the mountain range, this doesn't really work. Anything, this needs to be lower. I'm using a mouse to draw right now, yeah. I feel like the line should be this way. We get rid of that. We have to look at the mountains after this. I don't have a tablet here. Otherwise I would use one, yeah. Now the mountain range here kind of works, I guess. But here it's kind of sucks, maybe like that. I don't know. And then here the mountain range, since this is a hill, and if I were to imagine this line, right? If I were to imagine this line, then I feel like the mountain could be something like that, yeah. And it will all make sense in a second, okay, guys? I know this looks terrible right now, but it will all make sense in a second right now. In a second. Let's just use some basic colors. Now, how do I make it so it's not annoying to draw this? I did the same thing in 10 seconds. No, you did not. No, you did not. No, you did not. Because you didn't fix the overdraw. No, he did not, chat. I did the same thing in 10 seconds, Cakez. You're so fucking stupid. You know you're tracing lines that have already been drawn. How can you be so dumb? No one will understand what you mean. Just wait. You do not understand what I want, guys. You don't understand what I want. You think you do, but you don't, guys. You are wrong. I'm right. Stop. It'll all make sense once I'm done, okay? Please. Just wait. It's just annoying to draw this. That's all. If it triggers you that it's red, trust me, it will be black soon, okay? It will be black soon. Okay, guys? Just wait, please. Just a tiny bit of time waiting. Please wait. Please wait at the airport at station 5 till you're being called up to flight number 10. It'll all make sense then, please. Goodbye. This is a big trust me bro situation, okay? You gotta have faith in the process till the very end. At least if I try this and it doesn't work out, I will be able to sleep tightly tonight because I gave it my all, okay? Chat, take this as a lesson, okay? If this, what I'm doing right here, is dumb, stupid and retarded, at least I will be able to sleep Because I could tell myself, hey, I tried my best. I did try every single thing that was possible. Even the dumb things. Okay. Even the stupid stuff. And if this does not work out, maybe this helps the second artist. I expect to be done in 30 minutes, by the way, chat. The most difficult part is already done. I now have clear information on where I need to color what. And that information has been very helpful. It's much better than the original sketch. Haha! But let's just do the green first. Let me see. So we have green here. That's obvious. This is the second layer. Guys, what do you think will happen if I feed that into ChatGPT? Just as an idea. All right, so here it is a little confusing. I think this is where he was confused too. So this is the third layer. This is the darkest one. And unfortunately, the darkest one somewhat merges behind Tangy. I think it just goes down here. So if that is true, then I need to draw another line on 4. Which goes maybe here. We'll have to see. Or maybe a bit further down. Maybe here. Oh, I love that song. Nice. Good song. By the way, the bot crashed, did he? Yeah. Shit. Wait, the bot's gone. Shit. Sorry, guys. I forgot. Don't save. Yeah, so about that release date, guys. I have to set it tomorrow, I guess. Shit, what is it called? Abbott bot here. Unfortunately, it crashed. I'm not trying to get hired by Red Potion Studios, bro. What are you talking about? Trying to make a capsule art that satisfies me. And I really like the idea. You know what really sold me on this sketch, guys? The initial sketch. Her look. And here, the Tangy here. I really like that. Made me so happy. I was like, damn, that's exactly the type of character I envisioned. Lazy, innocent, somewhat cute, cool. No, I didn't want like this big, booba, whatever thing. No, I wanted that type of character. And it, like in the sketch, the expression was perfectly hit. I was like, yes, nice. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-da-dum. Ba-da-da-dum. So yeah, guys, what do we do if the guy says no, I can't do it, or that would be too much work, or not gonna work out? What do we do? Make another game. Cry in a corner. Yeah, I mean, I was doing that already today. Like, I'm past the crying part, guys. Like, when you get past the crying part, you need to start looking forward. How do we look forward? Can it stop? Man. Nervig. Today, like, the night was terrible too. I constantly had to cough. The problem is when you cough, you wake up Zoe. It's my daughter. Because it's so freaking loud. All right. I think you guys can start to see what I'm on about here, okay? I hope you guys are starting to understand what I'm trying to do here, right? Nope. Ah, come on. You guys are liars. It's insane. Really. It is actually insane. Oops. Oh, I forgot this part. Of course. Oops. Burger? Ruining your burger? No. I will never ruin my burger. I need to make those again.
Absolutely
those
not.
were delicious. Oh, steady pose. I've actually do it.
Ah, come on! This is how I start?
Mr. Steady Pose, I've actually done and made...
From yesterday?
The
that
dinners.
Doesn't count, by the way.
They taste quite
I
nice.
did do dev counter ++ yesterday. That does not count. We start out like this. Absolutely
Cakez is
not.
the best, only who knows the way. Give him your money. Bro, stop. Guys, if you don't stop, I will pause again. Guys, stop.
Yeah. What the fuck?
I promise you I will turn it off. Guys, we are past the sad part. You not understand. Your emotions go through stages. You're being sad. Okay, I need to color her robe first. Which, fine, let's make it blue for now. Let's make it blue for a second.
I don't like Blue though. She's a gardening witch. Guys. Guys. Pausing notifications. Stop. It's annoying. Holy cow. What's the fucking problem with you guys? Stop. Why, man? Why the hell do I pay for a service and then still have to draw? God damn it, man. I messed up, I understand, but bro, the result... Like, even if I messed up, like, is it really that okay that the result is like that? In the end, it's completely changed perspective too. Composition, layout of the capsule. Why? This was good. Guys, I need skin color. Next. I just love developing. Just love it. Oh. My God, stop! Annoying. Okay. The only big question is this part right here. So this is the road. So now I get it. So this is all... I see now. We are missing a red line because here should be green. And then we have the road here. Road, road, road. That thing's a bit large. Just see that now. But okay. Okay. I don't know what color he gave her. Boots. Brown. Can you stop, please? I mean, I have a full Coca-Cola here, but I think it's not a good idea. Cakes, maybe also add some numbers into the individual color areas, so the second artist knows where to put the new colors. Eh? What? Yeah, I have a full Coca-Cola there, yeah. Okay, let's see. I need a road. Oops. Oh, I see. No, that doesn't work. Man! Stop! Every 5 seconds! I'm getting water.
Oi. Oi. Oops. I feel like Global is trying to troll me, right? I'm still sick, guys. Guys, it's not about the exact colors. It's about selling the information in a clear way. That's why I color this. I don't care if the exact colors are used. I care that the depth and perspective, and I guess you call it composition, is the same. That's what I care about. I don't care what colors are used. Like, okay, grass should be green. I get it. I'm just trying to sell what I saw in the image. And the only way, in my opinion, to do that, I have tried with text. The only way to do that is to draw the image with very basic colors so that there is no question left that needs to be answered. Okay? And I know that this image is not proper, if that makes sense. There are mistakes in this image, and I'll get to them, especially where the tree is. The road literally goes into the tree, which I guess is correct, right? Because it does so in the game too. But yeah. Whoops. Oh no! Hell no, I'm not redoing that. Okay. So now I have this orange, and I'm going to take a darker orange and move a little bit further to red. And then we draw the second road here. Oops. It is just about the information. And I feel like, have you guys ever heard the saying, a picture says more than 1,000 words? I feel like, why not spend the time now? And it's been 2 hours. Actually not, I've been talking for the first hour. So it's been an hour and something since I've started drawing this. Why not spend the time to draw the image that I saw, that I liked, so that there's no question what I want. If someone sees the image and I make it clear enough that this is what I want, just in good, right, and not terrible, then I feel like an artist will have no issues just doing that. Obviously, then there is no creative freedom for the artist. That might suck for them, but I mean, I don't give a fuck. That's their job, to make an image that the customer wants, right? So whatever, dude, like, suck it up, bitch. Right? You get what I'm saying, brothers? You see what I'm trying to say here? So yeah, I'm just gonna draw this with color and outlines, and the red stuff, the red lines will be black soon, okay? Don't worry about it. They are just red because I'm too lazy to change it to black right now. But they'll be black in a second, okay? I know you guys prefer black, so I'll give it to you. Don't worry about it, chat. You'll get your black stuff.
Just wait. Okay, and so this is not what AQ did, okay? Because he didn't do that. He just replaced the freaking color. That's not the point, bruh. The point was to create an image that is both simple, easy to understand. And if I zoom out, I'm starting to see what the image is about, right? Excuse me. Next, the mountains. Very dark mountains. I see the vision. And it's not 20 out of 20. Wait, do you see what I'm trying to do and you don't like it? Mr. Almeida, what do you not like about my art? Or at least like the, let's say, the composition? Because what I'm doing right now is composition, right, guys? That's what I'm doing, right? What's the problem with the composition? There's a red dot. Where? Eh? Just make it bigger. Stupid. You're doing a coloring book? Yeah, guys. I'm doing that, I know. The mountains might need to have a different color because otherwise the silhouettes don't work. Or I just make them... We'll see how I do the silhouettes. But if they are black, then the mountain color is bad. I know that I'm doing color book, guys. It's not about the exact colors. It's about the composition. How the image is supposed to look. What is the problem with that? Why is this bad? Explain to me. Other than, okay, the artist does not have much freedom in terms of how the world is drawn. I get that, right? Totally understand. But what else? What's the other issue? I'm genuinely trying to understand. Honestly. What's the problem? You know what drawing is, guys? It's a mouse accuracy check. That's what it is. Like, do you have proper mouse accuracy? Can you play CSGO properly? Yeah? Never played CSGO, by the way. I bet I would rule. Like, with the mouse accuracy? Holy cow, this guy's insane. He's gonna hit every single headshot immediately. Boom. Headshot. Double kill. Triple kill. That's not from CSGO, by the way, right? That's from... What is double kill? Where's that from? Quake? So... Good thing is... I can do a Shift G now. Do a weathery color. Boom. Shit. Continuous. Ah, so it fills here. I get it. Not done yet. Okay, so this is where it all goes astray. Unreal Tournament. Yeah? Let's see. Okay. Whatever. I mean, fine. Use paint bucket. I tried. It doesn't work yet. There are some connections still, unfortunately. The red lines are drawn on top. This is what I'm actually drawing on. Because I don't want to lose the red lines as I'm drawing over them. So again, why is this what I'm doing bad? Tell me, guys. Or at least like those... Oops. Shit. I still have X Audio 2, yeah, in my game. Still using that. Like, why can no one give me a reason? You're not reading the replies? Oh, you're right. You're right. And every time you don't read the replies. We already told you. Okay, so can you one more time? I apologize. One more time. Why is it this bad what I'm doing? You're just a crazy person. I'm not angry anymore. Okay. It's not bad in the sense... You understand? It just feels it's bad because you would get mad after paying $500 to redraw lines. No, I get that, guys. I understand that this is bad because I draw the shit myself. Understand that. But, like, there's no time for an ego check right now. Or, like, an ego trip. Like, I need to get it done. And so I'm just... It's like in a game. I'm taking the NPC option that gets me to what I want. The fastest. I'm just trying to get to what I want. So I'm picking all dialogue options that get me to what I want without having to spend money because I don't have it. Guys. It looks fine. You have specific vision. The artist needs guidelines. Fuck it. I'm back in no help mode. Okay, I'm gonna read your messages now, Mr. Lolboy. Lol, I can click. Lol? Lol, guys, watch. Lol, cook. This chat here, right? This is like merge chat. I could click on Lolboy and I could see all of his messages. Tracing a sketch changes the composition. If I show this to my teacher, he'll beat me to the hospital. Why? I'm defining the composition right now. It doesn't change. It doesn't do shit. Tracing a sketch. It works the same way on Twitch? No. Look how slow this is. It shows me all of this shit that I don't care. I mean, I need it, but then I have to move it up and then I have to click on messages. Then it loads these messages very slowly. And look how tall this image is. And this is, look how instant. Boop. You ain't defining shit. You just put a line over an existing one. Van Clownsing. What is Van Clownsing? Van Clownsing. Why is he so mad? I don't understand. What is the problem? The artist repeatedly ignored your instructions, delivered shit. What makes you think this will work? I said it before, guys. You're not listening. If this doesn't work on the current artist, I will make a donation goal for a new capsule art. And then ask them to do it. And then with this image, they will know what I want. Right? Put the original sketch side by side. I will, but I'm not done yet. Okay, so I need a brown for the tree. So I still don't understand. What? Okay, one. You must respect yourself and your money you put in. Yeah, that's out of the window. Okay, so like my respect for myself is gone when it comes to this. And next, you must tell them that you are not satisfied. You changed nothing to the sketch, just 2 little minor changes. Yes, I didn't. But this is what I got, guys. I got this. I did not get this. I got this. What do you want me to do? Words don't help. Do you not understand? I typed many words. Many words and pictures. Many words and pictures. So what is the problem, guys? Do you not understand my problem? That's why I'm asking. Yeah, I understand that it's their problem. But the only other option is I find another artist. And if I find another artist, then I need to give him something, right? And so I'm just filling this in. So, wait, didn't look too bad. What's wrong with it? Bro. This... Sorry, but this does not look good. If I take this and I compare that to this, it's night and day. Sorry. I just do not like it. It's empty, lifeless. I asked 10 times to change the character's face into a more cute look. Didn't happen. So no. I do not accept that. Not for 500. But I typed many words, many feedback. I typed a lot of stuff. I wrote an entire thing. I gave them a Google Drive full of images, full of explanations. And most of the things have been ignored. And then in terms of the items, what was said was that the items drew away too much attention. That's why he made simple items. And so I'm like, bro, that's the fucking thing of the game. What do you mean they drew away attention? How? Sorry, but I'm just not happy with that. So now I'm sitting here, I'm tracing a sketch in hopes of communicating what I actually want. And in a sense, I'm changing composition not from this sketch, but from this sketch. I'm changing the composition that what I got is not the composition I wanted. This is what I want. So that's why I'm saying I'm changing composition, not from the sketch, but apparently the sketch, for some reason, like, here, look, guys, this was the last sketch I got. Eh? Zoom out! Zoom out! I can't zoom out. Eh? I can't zoom out. Can I not zoom out anymore? Sorry, guys. Shut up! Oh, I see. Toggle pause. Toggle. Close the application, man. No! Yeah, there's a way of how much you could zoom. So this is the... Wait. This is the last sketch we had, and then all of a sudden it changed completely. Yeah, maybe the word composition is not the right word to use here, guys. I understand. But what I like, you get what I want, right? So I don't understand. So I thought it's changing the composition. So then what is composition? Isn't composition the way characters are placed. Like, for example, the oranges here are placed in front. They should be placed in the back. The mage is on the box. Maybe it should be on the left. Those two characters should be gone, and we use silhouettes again. So then what is composition if not that? What is composition? What does that mean? That is composition? So then why are people getting mad? I don't understand. Then what I'm doing is composition. Huh? Nani? Guys. Also, I feel like her stuff shouldn't be wood. Because it's too much wood in the frickin' image. Oops. Cakez, get another artist. I do not have the money, so I have to do a donation goal. Man. So I still don't understand, guys, what the problem is of what I'm doing. Apart from, okay, I'm not respecting myself and my time. I get that. Yeah, I don't. But I need to put my ego away if I want to get what I want. You know, I'm not getting what I want any other way. The only other option is to just stop right here. So that was the only other thing suggested. So give him a chance to adjust or change or just stop. So guys, I could also just stop, right? We could say, okay, that's it. But then I don't get what I want. And I have to find another artist. Which means donation goal. And that will take time. Which means we probably have to delay the game. There's many things that go into this as well. You know, guys? I'm trying to avoid that. That's all. Excuse me. Okay, so, I have never found a good skin color, guys. How do I find skin color? I don't know how to get skin color. Which color code is a good skin color, guys? Move the thing. Give me a second. The problem is it will take forever. I should be done soon. I feel like. Oh. I feel like I should be done soon. I'm already at coloring Tangy, then it's these left, and then the clouds, and then this guy. And I'm done. There's not much left. I have the majority of the work is done. Right? It's just one person doing this. I now get why older chatters lost their marbles, to be honest. Why? I don't... guys, what is the problem? You're not telling me what the problem is. Apart from it'll take forever, but... yeah, like... I took 4 years to make this game. If I spend 2 hours doing this, what's the problem? You are not reading? Hi, I'm new here and in this field. My second year of college, studying software engineering, and almost nothing. Can you give me some advice on how to deal with anxiety and negative thoughts when you start learning? Oof, that's tough. Everyone goes through this, I guess. But I guess you don't want to hear that, right? I suppose the only way to deal with that is to do something yourself. So like you make a side project and you just code something yourself. That doesn't look like skin color at all. Okay, I'm not reading. Where's the guy that says I'm not reading? Rooster King. You send them a sketch, you complain until they do. They 100% put less experienced artists on the job. Yeah, but I told them already. I just had a phone call with the guy before the stream, guys. And he said, guys, his words were, I think it looks good. But he wants me to be happy, so he's gonna do the changes I asked him to do. It's literally what he said, guys. And then he said his 2 art companions also said it looks good. So what do you want me to do, guys? Huh? Keep complaining? Like, I could spend 2 hours complaining to them. Or I could be like, okay, well, and then maybe at the end of the day, not even get what I want. Or I could just suck it up and find a way to get what I want. Like, what's complaining gonna help me? He's already changing the capsule art to look different. And I just had the idea, well, why not just go through what we had? And then I realized, actually, he changed the composition midway through before, from sketch to final art, he completely changed the composition. So now that I noticed that, I was like, great, I've sent him images after images and explanations after explanations. Nothing changed. This time I'm gonna send him a fully traced image with colors and ask him if he can do that composition in a different style, if that's possible. And if he says no, then I have to find someone else. But the good thing is, if I find someone else, at least I have this sketch with colors to guide them in what I want. Do you understand, my brothers? Do you understand me? No? What are you doing right now? I'm making a picture for my daughter. a Bilderbuch. Oh, I'm tracing a sketch to show to an artist and ask if they can do it. So I don't get what the problem is, other than I'm wasting my time today. I get that. But at least I'm providing a picture with exactly what I want. No? I like that yellow. I think that's a decent color. Let's get some white in here. Bloop. For the eyes. Shoop. The only problem I really see is finding an artist. Can we find one? Yeah, see, that's the look I wanted in a way. Look at her, look at the look on her face, right? And now compare that to this look. I asked like 10 times. Make her cute and innocent. I didn't get that. Like, I literally said it 4 times. Click null exceptions link. The artist that drew your capsule. Okay. Fuck off. Shut up. Stop making fun of them, okay? I'm mad, but still kind of rude. We're so done soon, guys. At least I'm happy. It's an insult. Oh, guys, come on. You know what pissed me off as well, guys? I saw like a Reddit post today where I was sitting and taking a dump. And there was this guy talking about how he got a new capsule for his game, right? And it looked really good. And then he said it was only $500. And I was like, damn, that's cheaper than me. What did he get? And then I took a look at the guy. It was the fucking guy that denied me because my game's too cutesy. Fuck! piss me off. Like, even if it's too cutesy, man, please. I'll pay you money. The game's too cutesy for my style, bro. I'm only charging $500. I made the Mega Ball capsule, by the way. Fuck, man! If only he hadn't denied me. If only he didn't deny me. But no. My game's too cutesy. I have goblins with swords and skeletons. How's that too cutesy? God damn it. Fuck, bro. Oh. Sorry. No, I'm not sorry. I only have one tree. That's a bit annoying. There needs to be more trees. Oh, sorry. No, I'm not sorry. I'm mad. I know you need to be careful now. I think I'll keep this color for the tree as well. You know what I find interesting, guys? How can so many people get angry that I'm drawing a picture? I don't understand that. Can you guys explain that to me, please? Why are you angry? Why are you gay? Explain that, please. Haters gonna hate? True. That is a big true. Because you could animate water instead. Yeah, but then I don't have a good capsule. A good capsule is more important than animated water. It's like making a really good YouTube video and then putting paint on it. No one's gonna click it. And they're like, Paul, why is no one watching my video on YouTube, sir? I don't understand that at all. Like, I spent so much time, you know, making the video and editing and stuff like that. And it's just so much. I don't understand. No one's clicking on it. 1% click-through rate. What is that? Hey, Nani? How? Because you're stupid. You didn't make a good capsule. Didn't make a good thumbnail. Oh, okay, Mr. Leuber is really annoying. Holy shit. It'd be less painful if we had like... Yeah. I get it now, Mr. Leuber. I know what it is. You're jealous of my awesome painting skills. Ah? Capsule is the thumbnail? Yeah. The green grass on Tangy's left side is weird. This here? Yeah, I get it. I mean, these are the things that can be worked out with, you know, a smart person that knows what they're doing. Nah, that's a bad color. I don't like that. That's better. And guys, if the red lines really trigger you, okay? Fear not. It'll be fine. Because they will be black soon. Okay. Okay. No. Oopsie. Going to cost a fortune fixing this? I don't know. I'm expecting $500 if I tell an artist, hey, can you turn this into a capsule art? Is that possible? Like, that's enough? Like, it's like the same thing as a sketch, isn't it? Just with color. I don't see a big deal here. What do you guys? Just a sketch with color. Right? And then to go into more detail, I'm gonna show him assets from the game, how they look. Whatever, I think I can just draw over this like that. It's fine. It's okay. And then we choose an orange that looks really good. I had one. Okay, once I'm done here, I'm gonna ask the question one more time because I still don't understand why it's bad thing, other than my time being wasted. I get it, yeah. That sucks. I could have fixed like 2 or 3 bugs now. I understand. Or like did like clips for short, right? I forgot this. All right, guys, we're looking good. Oops, we're looking good here. Nice. Now we have a big problem. The road clashes with the color of the oranges. And I think I should do this now. So here, guys, are you happy? Are you happy now that it's not red anymore, but black? Can we please move on? Thank you. Good. So I guess people really got triggered by the freaking red, huh? Just an option, guys. It's fine. Guys, it's not about the color, it's about the information. Man, I wanted this to be like a big surprise, and I wanted to unveil like a godlike thumbnail. And I didn't get a single pork champ in chat today. Afternoon Cakes. Hey Pikachu, how you doing, man? The chat is full of bulls. They see red, they get angry. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. It's almost 7 p.m, man. Fuck. Almost 7 p.m. Well, maybe the road here should bend more to the left, right? And then the tree is on the thing. And it's also weird that the road stops here suddenly, right? If anything, the road should continue here. Oh, whoops, no, don't do that. Tree on the road? Yeah, but that's what it is in the game. Tree on the road. Yeah. brother. That's correct. Tree is on the road. That's the point. Oh, man. It's fine. We'll get to the finish line, guys. We will get there slowly but surely. Of course. Guys, don't worry about it. I'll get sick before release anyways. It'll happen 100%. So it's gonna catch something. I'll get it too. 100%. I can already see it. What did I have here? What color? Oh, it was blue, I see. It was blue. Why did he make it yellow? This stuff was blue. Made it yellow. I mean, it does work too. It's fine. Both works. Both work. No matter how it goes, it'll be an achievement. Yeah. Maybe I'm just dumb. I don't know. It's my first game and I want it to be done right. But yeah. I'm so unsure of myself now, even after doing this. Like, am I doing the right thing? Don't know. Whoops. All right, got that. Now we have the last problem. The color of the oranges clashes with the road, meaning we need to have very bright orange. It's gonna be tough, the color here. Hey, now see? Because the tolerance is so high. No tolerance. I need to change the road. The road needs to be a different hue. Oh yeah, I got it. That's a good color. I like that. I like that. That's nice. Cool. Color. Vielleicht a bit darker. Switch the tangies back. Let's see, can I choose a different orange now? Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I like that. Right? Is that too orange? Oh, what? What the fuck is he doing? Nothing. What are you doing, huh? Coming in here asking a question like that. Like demanding an answer. What is he doing? Right now. Is this guy stupid? He's so dumb. Bum ba-dum bum. Dum 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 dum. I am just drawing an image, my friend, so that I can go to the Capsulat guy and say, can you make this with the existing characters you already have, but change the background? He'll be like, no. And then I'll be like, okay, Satch. Bum. Dum dum dum. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So yeah, it was a long time. It took me like 2 hours to draw this. But yeah. I didn't see any other choice. Didn't see any other chance doing this. Guys. Of getting what I want. So yeah, 2 hours gone, guys. 2 hours goodbye. And 1 hour being sad is also gone. Just to let you know. Right, actually it's more than 1 hour. If I'm being completely honest with you guys. It was more than an hour. Because I was sad before the stream already. Yeah. Alright, last thing and we're done. Just the clouds. So then I can say to the guy, maybe a couple more trees in the back. But I gotta be honest, I really do not like the art style that I got. I'll show you what I mean in a second. It really looks grainy and like a really bad filter on top of it. I really don't like it. The front part was okay, but the back was... Like, can't darker colors work too? That's what I thought. Or maybe like a gradient in a way. Sometime. Something, you know. That's what I thought. Show you guys what I mean in a second, okay? Hopefully I didn't forget something. Also, we need to choose a better color for Tangy. She is like not a good skin color. I don't like that skin color at all. It's like dirty. Red, something like that. Okay, that's it. In a way. The sketch. If I compare that to this... Got worse? Yeah, it did get worse. You remove the sun, moon. Where's the sun here? I don't think there was any. This is always drawing. Yeah. You made the mountain into a tree? Which mountain? This was not a mountain, this was a tree. This is not a mountain. Oh, this is a mountain? I thought this was a tree. Oh, man. I give up, man. I just give up. Tangy TD is not releasing, guys. Ugh. So like this is the version that I got as a sketch, and this is what I got in terms of composition. I did change these two characters in the back though, and I feel like they can still be added here. Maybe. But I get what he's trying to say. That if he puts the logo here, then if I put a character here, that's a bit draws too much attention. Hang in there. Just moving them behind the original plus better contrast, less grainy would be enough of an effect, to be honest. I need to go to the bathroom, guys. I'll be back. Oh, cool. Hey! What is this with this game, man? Fuck you. So, hey! No! Please stop! Oh, come on, man. This is so fucking dumb. Directory to that. No, direction to this. And that worked. Oh my god, oh my god, what a day, man. What a fucking day. I don't have space here. Oh my
So
god.
cramped.
I just can't anymore. Oh my god, and the me and engines, man. The fucking UI rotates even here. Where do you want the most attention to go? Left. Where she is. See how fast I got how far I got high. How high I got there.
To add in a proper options menu in both in the town and in the main menu. I want to make it so that the options menu is now a drop-down menu, or not a drop-down, but like a pop-up. No, it's not a pop-up, but it's like a fuck.
I'm gonna get very close. What are you gonna do? How do I get this done, man? Huh? I can't dodge.
Is it hot or cold? Well, it's starting to get cold because I barely have anything left.
Oh shit, I'm so relax. Wait, he's dead. He's dead. Wait, I won, right? Did I win? What? Oh, stop. We mutually killed each other. Ooh, double hot sauce. I like that. Ouch. Cakes. Could you send me the stuff you sent the artist, plus the sketch you're referencing all day so far? What happened? If you tell me what you're gonna do, yeah. I thought I died! You mean the explanation? The Google Drive link? Just do it, Matt! Fine. Fine, where are you? There's your little boy. Okay, I'll send you the Google Drive link I gave him. Anyone can look at that link. I think it's this link here. And the sketch I mean, the sketch is here. Is that enough of a sketch for you? Or do you need the very original sketch? Like the from the beginning. This sketch here? Do you need this? Thank you, Cakez. See you tomorrow. Ah, fuck off. Okay, well. This one is enough. Okay. But it's Can you send this link to YouTube as well? Why is this the wrong account? Oh man, guys, I feel like I'm making backwards progress. Fuck, man.
I knew I'd win.
Let's hope he removes the grainy filter, yeah. I really don't like the colors in the back. It looks so bad. I'm not happy with that. Is it just me, guys, or am I right in saying that? And this looks flat. Am I just dumb? Looks so much better, man. Fine. This is not AI, no. Yeah, and the studio seems to be okay with this quality, which I don't understand, yeah. I didn't pay 500, I paid 255. Half now, half when it's done, but yeah. I don't know, guys. I feel like I just need to take a week off or something. It's been just downfall after downfall, man. I'm making slow progress, and it's progress, but I'm so disappointed at the result of this, man. And I don't think it'll be better. What is this? That looks nice, actually, yeah. But then there's no place for the logo. That's the problem. Where do you put the logo? Over the goblins? Nah. On the goblins? You would need to extend this image a bit further to the right for that to be possible. Otherwise the logo is gonna be this small. It's AI, an artist can do better. No, you don't put the logo at the bottom. No. Another bad guy. Well, we could take the left arm and make that the right arm. Well, the right arm and make that the left arm, right? Because that's her right arm. Remove this thing. And then he grabs the logo here. Right, his hand reaches over the logo. Not a bad idea. This guy can extend with the logo in the top center at the top here. I think that would be too tall. If you make it taller, then you also need to make it wider. I think him grabbing the logo and she just standing like this, like a Karen, would be funny too, yeah. That's also a ripoff? Who gives a fuck, man? That looks nice. Not gonna lie, yeah. With crossed arms? No, I think her standing like this in both cases would be nice. Fists to hips, yeah, like she is here, like this on the right side too. Mm-hmm. Think it could work, yeah. But I can't give this to the artist now. It's too late. No, I don't want her looking at the camera. I want her looking at the Tangy at the top. The Tangy should be around her, yeah. Which they are. I had hoped the final boss would be the Great Saftpresse. Yeah. She's leading the changes. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. She's supposed to be relaxed, cute, and lazy. She's not supposed to be confident. Her animation is this, bro. She's half asleep. I can't make her confident. Cakez, I made a little sketch for you. Maybe get some ideas. Really? You did? Where? You fucking kidding me, man? You can't be serious. From the other sketch, that looks nice too. Gotta be honest. This is supposed to be a tree, by the way. Can't see the logo very well here. Did this in 40 minutes. Obviously it's trash, but at least it's not AI. Thank you very much, man. Can you guys stop? What is wrong with you? Okay, bruh. Imager, yeah? What is that? Oh, damn. Damn. Looks nice. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, and see, like, that's what I wanted too. Like him on the path with the shield, and then the other guy with a sword. Very good stuff. Very cool. Hiya, Coffee Lava. And I suppose the logo would be here. It's a bad thing because the mage is blocking it, don't you think? You know, this could be a really great capsule for an RPG game. Really good. Yeah, like the place for the logo, like if the mage was somewhere else, then the logo could be in the middle. Mage is not in game, remove it. No, then I have to make another capsule with the mage at some point. Hey, Cakez, hello there, Wasim, on YouTube. Nice eyes on a lady. Yeah. I'll save that. Thank you, man. I appreciate you taking the time, man. I really do. Lol, it saved coffee lava, lol. Cake, yeah. What's going on, bro? You've typed it somewhere else in document, yeah. But no, not every unit needs to be there. The mage is not even here. So guys, what do I do now? I have made a sketch. We have this sketch here. What do I do now? Do I just wait for his... Do I just wait for his stuff? He said 10 hours and it's 2 to 3 hours. 3 hours have passed. So I feel like interrupting him in his work now would be bad. Because he literally spent 3 hours already changing this image. But I'm not happy. So I'm expecting to not be happy. But I'm also not expecting to get the quality of gnomes from him if I ask him to do this. If I'm being completely honest, I'm not expecting the quality. Yeah, but I told him what to change already. So if I tell him to change the composition now to this, I feel like that'd be another delay. I mean, it doesn't hurt to ask, right? Do it now. It doesn't hurt to ask. No, the logo will be here, right in this space. Better stop someone in the middle. Give it more input. So guys, this image or this? Because like this image would require a lot of change. Give it more input. Thank you, Coffee Lava, man. That looks amazing. We're actually gonna save that somewhere. That's cool. Thank you. Never used again. Shut the fuck up, asshole. You're being a negative Nancy. Okay, I'll put both, and then I'm asking him if it's possible to do that. Okay. I'll do that. Fine. Amen. I need my logo. I need my logo. Where's my logo? Fuck, man. I'm gonna get called soon because I'm still not home. God, oh man, I have a headache now, despite taking freaking paracetamol. Oh, god damn it. Steam images. Capsule. Logo. Shit. Isn't it logo a PNG file? Huh? Shouldn't PNG files be... Oh man. Fine. Mann. Control D. Deselect. Sorry. I'm a bit mad. Yes, rest rise and delete it then. Thank you. Let's get the other one. File, new. Oh, man. This is gonna be annoying. Guys, if I don't show it to him, it's not gonna happen. It is how it is, okay? I understand that it pisses you off, but I have to do this, okay? If I don't show it, it's not gonna be done the way I want it. That's just the way it is, okay? Have to do it this way. Man. Guys, I'm expecting a no. I'm expecting like, nope. Already too far, bro. It's like, I'm a great. What now? So if he says no, what do we do, guys? Man. My logo. The logo doesn't have much contrast, right? But hey. A bad review on Reddit and they will fix it really soon. The studio knows this will cause a bad impression. I'll just ask if they can do if it's possible to do that. So I know as a late, I would be possible to make something like those two still, of course using categories I already drew. So you I'm just gonna ask directly. Artist already said nope. So I'm gonna send this now and ask. We'll see. It is how it is. It's done. I'm gonna save those two PSD files. Capsule sketch. New. capsule sketch. New number 2. Is this saved as capsule sketch number 2? Okay.
Thus, the objective is to get clicks. How can a tree be on the road when the road requires someone to walk on it, which is impossible with a tree on it? Because it's a tower defense game, bro, and it's a game. So, yeah. Well, we'll see what he says. I'm not expecting much, though. Fuck, man. Yeah, so anyways, guys, how was your day? Now that I'm basically done with everything that I had on my mind, I spoke my words. I went through my sadness. I tried to get out of the gutter by doing everything I could. Now it's up to the artist to decide what to do. If he says no, I'll do a donation goal tomorrow and wait for the capsule art. Let's look at the release date. It's too late, man. It's way too late. I also need to go to the Baumarkt. Fuck. I didn't take the thing with me. Fuck. I need to go tomorrow. Shit. So, guys. What would you do now? And now you can tell me. So I drew this now, right? I did draw this. It's gonna say, oh, here. What if the guy produces anything of value, and if not... Wait, if the guy produces a refund? Hope you can save this, otherwise the game might fail. I paid $250, yes, but we'll see. He said it will be an extra. I don't know what that means. It will be an extra. What does that even mean? So it definitely means more money. Yeah. But how much? My wife just called, yeah. Let me pick up the phone.
Bro, it would be an extra 130. Guys, I'm done for today. I'm done. Guys, I don't want to use AI. I can send you the sketch, but I'm not using AI. I don't have time to make it myself. Yeah, then I think I'll tell him to stop now. And I'll pay him what work he did in the last 3 hours. Because he did do work. And then we'll see what we do. I don't have a logo, guys. Okay, I told him that we should stop. But we need a capsule, guys. This is also from them. They only show their top. Wow, that's not good. Yeah. No, that's not good. That doesn't look good at all. Yeah, no, we should stop here then. Query. I mean, it did get quite a few players, man. So, oh, it's another incremental game, Supaku, huh? Those games that don't work anymore. Oh man, these games are farming money. It's crazy. We need to make an incremental game. Yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I'm done for today. I'm sad. I don't know if I'll be streaming tomorrow or I need to see what I do. I don't want to be sitting here and make you guys give me money because I'm sad. I hate that. I'm genuinely sad, and I don't know what I'll do. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, sorry.